hiccups. Yeah, you got the hiccups. Oh no. That means you're growing, which you ought to be as much as you ate.
You're growing already. Day 2 on Earth and you're growing.
Yeah, and you're making me mad.